Hello friends, in this video I show you how to use e-commerce function in Messenger. Log into your dashboard, click on Messenger bot, scroll down, click on action button from Messenger e-commerce store. You can see two options, store and payment account. First you have to set up payment account. You can create multiple store here, but you can use only one payment setup for all your e-commerce store. Enter PayPal email, Stripe secret key, Stripe publishable key, Molly API key, Razorpay, Paystack. You can choose currency from here. Currency at right, 2 decimal, display comma. If these payment gateway not available in your country, you can enter manual payment instruction like account name, bank name, account number, IFSC, MICR and SWIFT code. And after that click on save button. After that you get notification your data has been successfully stored in our database. Now click on Messenger bot, scroll down, click on action button and click on store to set up store. Click on create store button. Select page. If you can't find your page here, go to import account and enable bot. Enter email address, phone number, enter tax, shipping fee, logo, maximum 1 MB, format JPG PNG, recommended dimension 200 by 50 or 120 by 120. Now checkout, in checkout option enable the payment gateway, PayPal checkout yes, Stripe yes, manual cash on delivery no. Here write term of services, refund policy, status online and click on create store. Store has been created successfully. Click OK.